Hello friends, welcome to CS tutorial. Today we'll be solving problem 66 plus 1. And the statement says given a non-empty array of digits representing a non-negative integer plus 1 to the integer. So the digits are stored such that the most significant digit is at the head of the list. And each element in the array contains a single digit. You may assume that the integer does not contain any leading zeros except the number 0 itself. So for example, we're given an input of 1, 2, and 3. And we're to add 1 to that input. The output is supposed to be 1, 2, and 4 because the array input represents the integer 123. So incrementing this should give us 124. We have another one here. It says 4, 3, 2, 1. That represents 4,321, 4,321, and the output here should be 4,322. So without wasting too much time, we're gonna go ahead and dive into the code here. And when we're done with this, I believe we could go over it a little bit more if we still don't understand. So first of all, we're gonna get the length of the current um, array, the length. And what we want to do here is we want to go through every element in the array. If the element is starting from the last element, if the element is a 9, we want to add, we want to write down a 0 and carry 1 essentially. Else, we just increment that number and return the result. When we're done writing this code, I will go over an example to give us a clearer understanding. So we're going to say um, for int I is equal to len minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. If digit of I is equal to 9, we just want to make that digits of I is equal to 0. Else digits of I plus plus. We just increment this and then we'll return um, digits. But if we get through this and we realize that we still have a carry left, then we need to increment our array size by 1, and this is going to be len plus 1, and we want to make digits of 0 be equal to 1, and we'll return digits. And let me just run this here before giving an example. Submit this, and this is 100%. So the example I wanted to give as to why we're taking this approach is quite simple. Um, we understand that if we're given an example like this one, say 1, 2, 3, our input is equal to 1, 2, 3. If we're going through this, we say for starting from the last element, is is it equal to 9? No, it's not. So we can just increment this one and we'll return 1, 2, 4. But if our input was equal to 999, our output, we want that to be 100. because when you increment a 9, it's going to give you a 10, which is why we have this here. If the value we encounter is a 9, write a 0, and go to the next value, it's a 9 again, write a 0, it's a 9, write a 0, and by the time we're done with this input, we still have, um, we haven't returned anything, which means our carry is still 1. Then we just need to create a new array with length plus 1 of the current length that we had. And in the first position of the array, we just write a 1 there. Um, there's one other example, which is if the input is equal to 1299, right? What we just want to do, if we go through this, our output should be 1300, right? So the first time we go, we encounter a 9, we write a 0. We encounter another 9, we write another 0. But then the next time we go, we encounter a 2. So we can just increment that value and return 1300. I hope this video is explanatory enough for us. Um, if you are new coming to this channel, please like the video and subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.